One of the most common calls into the tech service department has been about how to tap into the Ford's quad headlights. The intent of this training module is to help provide a better visual of the installation instructions. For training purposes, the HDV training stand is being utilized. The studio lights have also been dimmed to show the lower light examples of incorrect installations. The 73973-1 or the non-1 are the harness kits used for this install. The common installation error when installing these harnesses are that the lower lights won't shut off when the lights transfer to the plow. Let's troubleshoot this easy to fix issue. Double check that the black plug with the gray wire loom is on top. The gray plug with the black wire loom runs to the lower plug. Ensure that the plugs that branch off of the 73973 harness connect into the gray wire loom with the black plug. Next, connect the plug at the end of the harness into the gray plug with the black wire loom. This sample installation was for the driver's side headlight. Repeat procedure for the passenger side. Once the plugs are in the proper orientation, both the upper and lower lights will transfer. In the installation instructions, you can see how the plugs at the end of the harness plug into the lower lights. If the lower lights are on after verifying that the plugs are connected correctly, check to ensure that the red switched accessory wire is connected to 12 volts. If the wire is connected under the hood to an upfitter switch, ensure that the switch is on. Here is an example of what happens when the switched accessory wire is disconnected. To determine which situation you are facing, look at the brightness of the lower lights. If they have a dim glow, then check the plug configuration. If the lights are bright, then verify your 12-volt power source to the switched accessory wire. Thank you for watching this explanation of the two common causes of the lower lights not transferring on the quad headlights.